Hello my friends, and introduce myself. My name is Theo Febri Batali, and my friends
Krishna Rezilaisa,
Muhammad Fauzio Deraba,
Kibarul Pala,
And me, Olivia Darmawanti Gangga.
And me, Farhan Nazrul Ismail.
we are both right now. Let's tell us other story and share your previous experience. How are you all?
yes, I'm fine.
I'm
Guys, how
fine,
are you
man.
today?
I'm fine.
I'm fine.
You are good. Okay, thank you. Let's tell what have experience you are had strong starting from Kiva.
Oh yes, okay. One of my bad experience was when I was trapped in a fraudulent investment. At the time, I was promised that with a small amount of capital, I could make a lot of money in 1 year. But it's been more than a year and there's been no news from them. From there, I learned not to trust people who offer investment online, either in application or in websites. Maybe that's my bad experience. Thank you.
Wow, Kiva, that's really the Kiva. Thank you for telling the story.
Yes.
Next, Farhan. What bad experience have you ever had?
Okay, Theo, my bad experience was learning to drive using YouTube as capital. And then in the afternoon, I was halfway here and crashed into an L300 car and motorbike. I was seriously injured and went to the hospital. That's probably all. Okay.
Wow, that is really Farhan. Thank you for telling me. Next, Olive. Olive, what bad experience have you are had?
Okay, Theo, my bad experience was when I was 9 years old, when my parents separated. That when I was at my worst because I was confused about what happened. To follow my mom or dad. And in the end, I followed my mom to Java, and at that time my life was at its worst. Seeing my mom remarry, and after that I followed my mom to move to Malang. And there I lived with my grandmother and grandfather. And not long after, my grandmother picked me up from Java back to Ternate and lived with my dad and older sibling until now. Maybe that's all my bad experience now. I've made peace with the situation. That's all. Thank you.
Wow, that is only right. Thank you, Olive, for telling me. Next, Krishna. Krishna, what big experience have you are had?
Okay, thanks Theo. At the time, I just came back from cafe for with my friends. When I came back from the cafe, it was raining heavily and the roads was full. And when I arrived in of junior high school, I went through. There was a motorbike stopped suddenly in the middle of the road both back. In the post obstacle direction, and the dragon suddenly and then fell into the hospital. And at different times, my right hand bone was disconnected, and the person I hit did not suffer any injuries at the time, and thank God they also did not ask for this. They were damaged to the motorbike because motorbike and I very damaged, and my hand was sore, and they also paid for medical expense.
Wow, thank you, Krishna.
Thank you.
Next, Fauji, what big experience you are ever had?
Okay, Theo. So my bad expression happened in 2020. At the time, I wanted to buy a cheap laptop and found a good laptop on social media at a cheap price. The seller lived in Sochi. He promised to send the laptop with a down payment of 1 year. And for a month, the laptop had not arrived. At all, but the seller asking for an additional 3 million. At the time, I already know that it was asking, and that was my bad expression, namely online fraud. Okay, thank you.
That is bad to Fauji. Thank you, Fauji. Okay, thank you for telling you about experience. Thank you, you are saying us. Thank you, goodbye.
Like this, you make me freeze. Like this, got out of peace. Ice piece, meal and ice. Shoot up like no knees.